Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called vital few, useful many. Pareto analysis is a ranked comparison of factors related to a quality problem and is a statistical decision-making technique used for the selection of limited number of tasks that produce a significant overall effect. It helps to identify and focus on vital few factors. Pareto diagrams and tables are presentation techniques used to show the facts and separate the vital few from useful many. They are widely used to help project team and steering committees make key decisions at various points. A Pareto diagram displays the relative impact of each contribution factor has on overall problem. It ranks the sources from largest to smallest and shows the total cumulative impact for the 2 largest, 3 largest, etc. Essentially, the Pareto principle states that the source of a problem can be divided into 2 categories: the vital few, a small number of sources that account for most of the problem; the useful many, large number of remaining sources that individually and collectively account for relatively small part of the problem. The awkward zone is where there is not a clear break point between the vital few and useful many. When diagnosing the cause, it makes sense to look for vital few and not to become distracted by the useful many. A Pareto diagram is helpful at this point by ranking the impact of several factors on the given effect. It reveals the most significant source of a quality problem. These sources should be investigated further regardless of the form chosen. Well-constructed Pareto diagram and tables include 3 basic elements: the contributors to the total effect ranked by the magnitude of their contribution. Number 2, the magnitude of the contribution of each expressed numerically. Third one, the cumulative percent of total effect of the ranked contributors. If you have already studied stratification, you will notice that a Pareto diagram represents the results of stratifying a problem by one particular variable. The contributors to effect are the categories for that stratification variable. Thanks for watching. Bye.